you know? That, ooh boy. Oh, okay. Stop that music, folks. Spot number 9 for Jared Slaymaker. Card number 95. Hasn't been a PSA 10 since 2017. And folks, listen, I gotta say, that was quite some time ago. Quite some time ago. So if you were able to find a PSA 10 today, who knows? But back in 2017 for $670, you could get yourself a PSA 10 on a one and only 18-time All-Star, 2-time World Series champion, 16 gold gloves. He's a World Series MVP, an All-Star MVP, an AL MVP. He's in the Hall of Fame, and they call him the one, the only, Mr. Brooks Robinson! Oh! Look at that! Spot number 9, the human vacuum cleaner, also known as Mr. Impossible, Brooks Robinson right there. Yeah! Oh, I gotta say, left and right centering looking pretty good. Top and bottom looking pretty good. Whoa! Card number 95. Oh, yeah. Born in Little Rock, Arkansas. Light my fire for the Baltimore Oriole right there. Oh, yeah. A 9 in this card goes for about $150. 8.5 upwards of about $90 right there. Oh, yeah. Put this in the SLEEVE and enjoy this one. Jared Slaymaker. Brooks was bringing the boom before the Costco guys brought the boom! Look at that. Wow. Brooks Robinson, folks. Card number 95, and I gotta say, I am no greater. But, looks pretty good. Oh, yeah.